So guys, we're here to do a quick review on a Dewalt drill that I've just bought from Screwfix. It was on offer, £99, and I really needed a couple of batteries to help me with all my Dewalt tools that I keep buying that are bare, namely which this torch here. So this is quite a good little torch actually. This is not what I'm reviewing, by the way, but this one here, this is one of my old batteries off a Dewalt drill that I've had about 10 years. Still got some life left in the battery, so I use them in the torches and things like that. But obviously there's no LED indicators on these ones. They're basically, like I said, 10-15 years old. But I also use them in the little radio over there. It's down in the corner. That's about, I don't know, maybe 10 years old, that radio. Probably need a new one by now. Anyway, I'm going to be reviewing this one here. So this is the Dewalt DCD778D2 1.8 volt lithium, 2 amp an hour batteries. So that's these two. So very similar to what's on there, only these are 1.5 amp hour batteries. So this is just a basic drill driver, hammer action, different speeds, LED, and 65 newton meters of torque, and the standard 13mm chuck. But it's a new drill, it's a new toy. It's got the new Dewalt charger on it as well, which is slightly different to what you normally get. So I'm just gonna open it and see what's in the box. I thought it might have come with a case, but it didn't. I think it's because it's got two batteries with it, so I've kind of gone a little bit cheaper with it. A bit of a cheapskate really, isn't it? But like I said, I bought it because I needed a couple of extra batteries, so I might as well get a drill along the way. Now I'll just go get my other drill to show you what the difference. So here's the old drill. This is the 10 or 15 year old one. I do have another one somewhere which is basically exactly the same as that. As you can see, it's very worn, battered, the stickers have gone, been used quite a lot. So it still works, this one. As you can see, there's a massive difference in size of drills here. Compared to this one. That one, it looks more like an impact driver than it does a drill. As I say, it's a lot more compact, brushless motor. And you compare the size there. So that makes it easier to get into tight spaces. So like in this bathroom here, getting in between the joist to drill holes, for instance. So yeah, gonna give it a run for its money. Like I say, this is the old one. You can see how worn it is. It's just, it'll probably finish up in my garage, this, using it for doing stuff on cars and stuff like that, or maybe just using it as the battered drill that I don't want to get dirty at the moment, or too dirty. So this again is the drill. Like you see, it's got the hammer action on it. You got your left and right speeds, got a nice grip to it, got the standard 2-speed switch at the top. You got your torque settings, standard, twist. You've got your little LED light there. I do like that feature on Dewalt's, it's quite bright. Got a nice little compact charger there. Fits better in the toolbox rather than the big bulky thing that you get. And obviously these will be the batteries then. Now, I'm just going to open these straight out of the box. Let's see how much charge they have in. There we go. So there you go, LED battery. It's got 2 lights lit up, so it's about what, 3/4 of the way charged, so that's good. So we can probably use that straight away. So this one here is the XR as well. So I've had this one 10 years, maybe, still going. Got one light on there, so still use that one. As I said, these batteries seem to last a long time. But I did need a couple of extra batteries for doing what I'm doing. Let's see how much is in this one. Nice little box just to put the batteries in, isn't there? Yeah. 2 strong lights as well. You probably noticed that the dates are on the batteries as well, which gives you an idea of how old they are. So what we'll do is I'll charge these up fully first, and then we'll give the drill a test run. So this here is the old style charger, slightly more, and here's the new one. So it's about half the size, probably better for toolboxes that. Put it in. Some room. There we go. So it's designed for the battery to sit down and the charger to sit on top rather than the old method. I've just turned that one off, so I don't need that one. But what we'll do is just to show you that you can actually use the old charger, because it's the same fitment. Just going to put the new one in there. There we go, they're both blinking away. Right, I'm going to leave them to charge up, and then we're going to put them in the drill and test the drill. So there we go, guys, that is the Dewalt or Dewalt Brushless V8 It's actually reverse camera mode. So anyway, that is the Dewalt drill, and I just plugged the battery in from charge there and decided to drill these holes into this boxing in I'm doing here, and there we go. It's about right size to fit between the toilet and the drill bit there. There's not a lot of room, like I said, so this drill is a lot smaller than the one I had, and it matches more or less the impact driver as far as size. When you have got the long screwdriver bit in the impact driver there, so yeah, it's got a nice handle to it, it's a nice feel to it as well. It's got a nice smooth action to it. Variable speed, you've got your one, two there. Your slower speeds, I generally leave it on 2 all the time because you can adjust your speed there with your trigger. And occasionally use the torque settings on drills, not all the time. Depends if I'm screwing something in that needs specific depth or whatever, so I don't go through the other side sometimes. Not always. Been using cordless drills for years and years and years. You get used to, it's like driving a car, you just get used to the speeds and the sounds that they make. But that being said, it's not too bad. It comes with 2 batteries, doesn't come with a case, just the box, so you know that's a little bit of a downer, but I'm assuming it's because it's the brushless one that they're not put a carry case or anything with it, because I think they still sell the other type that I had before. They're a lot cheaper than these, cheaply built, and this is a bit more of a trade quality drill, I would say. But we'll see how it goes anyway. So there you go, guys, that is the Dewalt cordless drill, the DCD778D2 drill. 2 batteries, charger and the drill. £99 from Screwfix at the moment. Might be a bit more, might be a bit less when you're seeing this video, but I hope somebody's got something out of this today. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in another video soon, and maybe review a few more of the Dewalt tools. I'm planning on changing most of my tools to Dewalt now. I've been using Dewalt for years, but I've been buying other ones, so I've decided that I could do with getting the same batteries, so I can buy the bare ones, and then obviously swap and change then. So anyway guys, I hope you got something out of this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Dewalt. There you go. Thanks guys.